From the Eaton family Thunderdome, it's Majorette Hypercars. Race 1, Lane 1. Check out this beauty. Absolute beauty. Ford Mustang. Lane 2, we got the Jaguar F-Type. Lane 3, we got a Ford GT. Lane 4, we got the Porsche 718 Boxster. And lane 5, we got a Bentley Continental. Oh, 5 very handsome looking cars. Favorite would be the Jaguar in lane 2. Let's see who's first car into the championship race.
Bentley leads the box onto the flat. The Jaguar's taken off in 2. He's passed them both. He's screaming away. Boxer's trying to come back, but won't. It's the Jaguar by about a quarter second, taking the win. A good win.
The Jaguar is the first car into the championship race. He beat out the Porsche Boxster 718. It was a very good race. A worthy winner. Race 2, lane 1. We got a bull. It's the Lamborghini Huracan Aveo. Lane 2, check out this beast. The 2020 Nissan Concept. Lane 3, fresh from a stint in supercars, it's the Toyota GT86. Lane 4, we got the purple people eater Ford Mustang GT. Beautiful. And lane 5, we got the McLaren 675. Very nice. Favorite for this race is the Mustang in 4.
Good job to the McLaren. Toyota's screaming up the middle, past the purple people eater, past the McLaren. Wow, look at him go, the former supercar. That's how quick he is. He takes victory into the championship race.
Should have known the GT86 was quick. He should have been favored, being from supercars and all. Sets up a great finale. We know the Jaguar's quick. I'm interested to see who is quicker. Race 3, lane 1. We got a Porsche 718 Boxster. Beautiful. Lane 2, we got the Audi R8 Coupe. Lane 3, the Dodge Viper. Lane 4, we got a Ford Mustang GT. And lane 5, a Porsche 911 GT3. Favorite for this race is the Boxster in 1.
Mustang leads onto the flat in 4. Boxer's speeding to the lead on the outside. Viper slipped into second, but it's the Roadster, the Porsche, winning. That was a good race.
Porsche 718 Boxster joins the championship race. Race 4, lane 1. This is an absolute beauty. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Lane 2, we got a Corvette, Chevy Corvette. Lane 3, we got the Alfa Romeo 4C. Lane 4, we got the Porsche 911 GT3. And lane 5, the favorite for this race, color shifter, it's the Dodge Viper. Wow. Interested to see how it goes up against the Challenger, because the Challenger is like grease lightning. Can the Challenger defeat the Viper?
Viper leads in 5. Demon's past the Corvette on the outside. He's past the Viper. The Corvette's coming up hard, and the Viper's coming back, but it's the Demon, the Challenger. He wins the race.
Oh, we finally got some American muscle into there. It's the Demon, Challenger Demon, joining the German Porsche, the Japanese Toyota, and the British Jaguar. It's a multicultural affair. We got one more spot to fill. That means it's race 5. Can we get a German in? Or an Italian? Let's see. In lane 1, we got a Nissan Skyline. Lane 2, we got the Italian, the Alfa Romeo Giulia. Lane 3, we got more American muscle. It's the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Very quick. A lot of championships. But favoritism goes to the car in lane 4. It's the German car, the Audi S5 Coupe. And lane 5, a little bit more American muscle. It's the Dodge Challenger Demon. This is a very interesting race. I'm thinking anyone in lanes 3 to 5 can win it. Let's see who gets that last spot.
Audi and Demon nosing inside. On the outside, it's the Hellcat coming up fast up the middle, but it's going to be the Audi holding him off. The Audi S5 Coupe is into the championship race.
Made it to the championship race, and we've got 5 very quick cars here. 5 hot, beautiful cars. Starting with lane 1, we got the Jaguar F-Type. Lane 2, the Toyota GT86. Lane 3, the Porsche 718 Boxster. Lane 4, we got the Dodge Challenger Demon. And lane 5, we got the Audi S5 Coupe. Ooh, anyone can win this. I think it's between the Jaguar and the Audi. I'm gonna put the Audi as favorite. Let's see who is the first Majorette hypercar champion.
Demon leads the Audi onto the flat. Toyota's past the Jaguar on the outside. Demon's pulling away from the Audi. GT86 has got second, but it's the Demon. SRT Challenger wins the championship.